If you are a cloud engineer and are on a temporary visa, which is 482 subclass, then there is a good news for you. The Australian government has just announced today its first major change of the skilled migration program in years. By the end of 2023, temporary skill shortage short-term stream visa holders will have a pathway to the permanent residency or PR. Under the current settings, subclass 482 visa holders with a short-term stream occupation do not have a pathway to permanent residence. The only exception to this rule is those who remained in Australia during the pandemic. But that has changed now. According to the Minister for Immigration Andrew Giles, providing pathways to permanent residencies for workers on temporary skill shortage visas is another step towards ending the permanently temporary limbo. Another good news is that the Australian government will also increase the temporary skill migration income threshold from 53,900 to $70,000 from July 1 this year. The TSMIT sets a minimum salary which may be paid to overseas workers under employer-sponsored visa, including the subclass 482, 494, and 186 visas. That's a great news given the cost of living, which has really gone up in Australia. Frozen since 2013, around 90% of all full-time jobs in Australia are now paid more than the current TSMIT. The increase is aimed to maintain the integrity of Australia's skilled migration system and protect Australian workers. It is important to note that the legislation which will facilitate these measures is yet to be published. It is not yet known how current holders with a salary below the TSMIT might be affected by the increase. As soon as I will have more information from the website of Australian Immigration Department, I will post it in the next video. I hope that this was useful for you. If you have any questions or feedback, please put it in the comment section. Thank you very much.